Sanding. Man, it sucks. Put about 70 hours in so far, maybe 80, I don't know. Got kind of burnt out, so I took a break. Actually haven't hit a sander to it in over a month. Maybe close to 2. Spent a lot of time watching TV in my underwear, which is okay with me. I got about half of below the waterline done, so I got quite a bit to go. A little bit of the barrier coat left underneath the waterline and the one half that I did do, and I haven't touched the keel yet. But the other half of the boat under the waterline I'm going to attack differently. I've been using a 4.5 inch orbital sander with 60 grit sandpaper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a sanding conversion kit for my 4.5 inch grinder, and I'm going to attack it with 36 grit sandpaper, and hopefully I can get done in 2 days what it took me 70-80 hours to accomplish at this point, because I really don't want to go through all that again. That just sucked. You know, living the dream isn't always fun, but it's going to pay off in the future. I'll be happy to know when I'm out there that there are no blisters below the waterline and that my hull's integrity is intact. I'll show you what I got done so far. Took it all the way down to the glass, which is nice. So I got the top 2 coats of bottom paint off and the barrier coat as well. There you go, right back here. That little spot of paint is just because the pole was in the way, so I'm going to jack the boat up in a little bit and do all the spots below the feet there holding the boat up. The hull turned out to be in way better shape than I thought. Most of the blisters that were showing are sanding right off. They're just pretty much surface blisters. So pretty lucky in that regard. I haven't found any delamination areas or any major problems. Everything is really good. So I mean, for a 1974 27-foot Cal sloop, the hull's in great shape. Somebody did this fiberglass repair before, so it's not the first time, and it's been out of the water for 16 years or so. So that's why I wanted to tackle it now before I put it in the water, because the hull is dry, you know, which is awesome. So looking pretty good. Still got a long way to go. Such is life, you know. But I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. And hopefully the grinding technique with the conversion kit will be a lot better than the orbital sanding, which was terrible, but that's what it is. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Peace.